Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I post when I want to. I know it used to be every Tuesday and Friday, but I don't know, something happened this past month and I haven't been feeling very creative or like inspired or anything, and then this whole pandemic happened, and so now I'm really feeling scared, so I'm doing great. So, I'm gonna try and film some more videos since I actually do have time, but I probably still won't be posting every Tuesday and Friday, maybe like once a week or something like that. I'll probably just like pre-film when I'm bored. So don't forget to follow my Twitter and follow my Instagram, because I do actually post on those and I'm pretty active on those accounts. So yeah, you should follow me on there. I changed my hair. If you haven't noticed, I posted that on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because yeah. But yeah, I bleached my hair twice and then I dyed it a peach color, and this is kind of like, it kind of faded out, but I still like it, so yeah. These fake lashes turned out like crap, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah. Also, my camera almost died, so I only could film the eye look. So everything else will be in the description below if you're interested in any of the rest of the makeup that I'm wearing. Yeah, so let's get into it. To start out this spring makeup look, I'm gonna actually start with my eyes today. I'm gonna prime my lids with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer first. Okay, and then I'm going to set it with a white shade, and I'm gonna use the, I don't know what the shades are, but I'm gonna use the white shade in the James Charles Morphe palette, just so we have a really bright base. Okay, so I wanted to do like a purple look, but I don't exactly have any pastel purples for some reason, so I'm gonna do a blue look, which everyone's basically already done, but I'm gonna do it because I can. So I'm going to use a few palettes to try and accomplish the look that I'm going for. Of course, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, which most people have. And then they repackaged this, so I have the old like version, but the Take Me to Brazil palette, which I think is called Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which has more shades. But it's basically just a colorful little palette by BH Cosmetics. And it's really good, and there's like these blues right here, so I think they will go well. And I also really like the shade here and the Elsa Colourpop collab palette too, so yeah. But yeah, I don't exactly have anything planned out. So I'm gonna go in with the Take Me to Brazil palette first. I'm gonna first go in with this like really pastel blue right here. I'm gonna run that through my crease. I'm gonna take it pretty high up. And below this will go. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the winter shade in the Elsa palette. I'm really rusty with filming, I'm so sorry. I haven't filmed in like weeks. So, but I'm gonna try and run that really close in the crease. Not picking up like a whole lot of color, I just kind of want a little bit more of a definition in the crease. And then I'm gonna go in with, is that a sparkly shade? No. This shade right here in the Taking Back to Brazil palette. I'm basically using the same brush. That's usually how I do like every single makeup look. I use the same brush. But I'm gonna try and blend those two together with this shade. Okay, and then I'm gonna attempt to do a cut crease. I'm really bad with cut creases, but I'm going to attempt to do a cut crease. I think it's because I don't exactly have a brush that's like good for cut creases, so oh well. But I'm going to use the same Colourpop No Filter Concealer to do this. I'm still going to do a cut crease, but I'm going to put another shade like right here. So I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm going to put it on the outskirts of my eye, basically. And then I will cut my crease. And then I'm gonna go back in with the first shade that we used, and then I'm going to like blend that out a little bit. So patchy. Oh my god. And like just blend it away. Never mind, we're not gonna blend it out because if you blend it out, it disappears. So that's cool. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease. Sure, they are definitely not even and they kind of look bad, so that's cool. I don't know. I'm gonna put this shimmer shade right here on my lid, just with my finger. Cool. Okay. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera just because my camera's gonna die, so I guess this is just gonna be an eye look. I'm so sorry. I was not planning on just doing an eye look, but since my camera's gonna die, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll come back and then we will finish my eyes up and that'll be it. But yeah, I'll be right back. So I put on the rest of my makeup. I put on some false lashes and it took me a long time and I still don't think they're on right. But whatever. So I'm gonna finish up the eyes and tell you exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna take that shade that we used in the crease from the Taking Back to Brazil palette. Like a smaller blending brush and just run that underneath the eyes. And I want to connect that with the line that we have here. And then I'm going to take the shade down, the aqua shade that we used to blend out the look, and I'm going to run that a little bit lower. I try to find my gems so that I could do like a Euphoria like type look, but honestly I can't find them, so it is what it is. But for my inner corner, I'm going to use a shade from the Elsa palette, and I'm going to use this shade here. Sorry if I blinded you, this shade here. It's more of like a pink shade, but we're just going to go with it, because why not? Just don't feel like looking for a good inner corner highlight. I have that there. I like to run it a little bit into the bottom lash line here just to open up the eye. And then I'm also gonna run it a little bit up here. Like that. And a little bit on the brow bone, because why not? But yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna put on some mascara, and yep. Alright, so there's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to see more content. Since this whole quarantine thing is happening, you should be indoors at all times. I swear to God. Unless like your work didn't like close or whatever. Mine didn't, so I'll be going to work still. But every chance then like that I can be home and not out in public, we're not going out, alright? We're not going out. Yeah, we're not going out. So just, even if you know that you can like handle the virus and whatever, that's fine. But you need to remember, like, there are a lot of people, if they catch the virus, are going to die. So you need to be wary of everyone else. Not just yourself, everyone else, okay? Seriously, I can't understand how people are not taking this serious. So like, you should be taking this serious. That's all I'm gonna say. Just take it serious. Just fucking stay inside. Thanks. But yeah, I don't know when the next video will be, but I need to charge my camera, and then I'll probably film another one. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.